My name is Shivtej Bairam Kadam. Roll number is 267. Today my topic discussion is concept of motion of link. This is the diagram explaining the concept of motion of link. Consider 2 points A and B. Rigidly, point B moves the relative to the point A. In a clockwise direction, there is a omega. Clockwise direction, there is a omega. Then distance AB remains constant. There is a velocity between A and B along light link AB. The relative velocity point B with respect to point A. Always perpendicular to link AB. Perpendicular to link AB. There is a omega V into VAB, hence relative velocity of the any point of the link with respect to another point on the some link always perpendicular to line. There is a 2 point in the direction on the relative velocity of the B with respect to point A. Velocity BA is respect to by omega BA. Omega BA. Figure A and B. In this figure, perpendicular line AB for omega BA, omega into BA into RA. Omega AB is angular velocity of link AB, and RAB is length of the line AB. Consider the velocity third point. C. The sum link AB with respect to A is given at omega VCA is to the omega VAB into RC. Omega AB, where there is a third point on the sum link, then capital AC upon capital AB is equal to vector AC upon vector AB. Vector AC upon vector AB. And the capital vector AC, and there is a for locating point C. Thank you.